Tuba Umar and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with a new video and that is gonna be my new room tour. So guys, has I shown you my vanity and these things in part 1? If you didn't watch that video, so you can go and watch it. And this part and the chester I show you in part 2, you can go and watch it. And this is part 3 of my room tour. So I show you these things. The video is on my channel. You can go watch it. So this is part 3. So let's get started. So this is single bed. So the bed color is yellow. So even the bed sheet color is yellow. So my all furniture color is yellow. Wait, let me show you. See guys, my room theme is yellow and pink, so that's why you will see pink and yellow things. Okay, so this is my single bed have one side table and double bed have two side table. This is single bed, so that's why I have one side table. So on the table I have this cute teddy bear in pink and white color. See, it matches the room. So this is my drawer and cabinet. So I have just files, important files, notes of school, and in the cabinet I have files, notes, even the diaries. So yeah, boring things. Okay, anyway, so let me show you my most favorite thing in my room. So guys, this is my favorite thing. See, it's a rack. So rack shape is like a house. See, it looks like a house. So the rack color is white. So you can see the rack have so many shapes. So there are too many soft toys inside. It looks so cute, colorful, right? Give a thumbs up if you like it. So you can see I have so many soft toys like that stars one and many more. So beside rack I have, why I'm showing you my bed. Okay, anyways, so beside rack I have my door. Boring. So let me show you. OMG, what I'm showing you. I mean what I'm showing you. Anyways, so this is a game that that I got on ninth birthday. So we just put the ball inside the game. See, so two people play this game. I play with my brother, but now I'm playing by myself. So I'm trying to do a goal. So guys, you see something that the game color is yellow. Wait, I do a goal. Yay! But I fell the ball. Okay, anyways. So this was a game and yep. So guys, that's it for this my room. I show you all the things. I hope you enjoy watching my room tour. Go and watch part 1 and part 2 if you didn't watch. Let's do outro. So guys, I show you the room. Hope you're gonna like it. Make sure to subscribe, like and share.